everybody, it's Agent the Singer and welcome back to Classy Creatives Agency. In this video, I am going to show you how to set an admin in your room so that your supporters can keep your comments clean while you do your show. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any more of these training videos. Go back and watch the videos that we have already done so that you can be up to date and be successful as a broadcaster on BGO Live. Now, let's get into it. Hey everybody, and welcome to my BGO Live room. In this video, y'all know I'm going to show you how to, what am I supposed to be doing? Oh, I'm going to show you how to set an admin in your room. All you have to do is click on one of your supporters' names and set them as an admin. So I'm going to click on Peach's name. Hey Peaches. So I'm going to click on Peach's name, right? You're going to see manage in the left hand corner of that little box. You're going to click manage. It's going to give you the option to mute, kick, set an admin, report, or cancel. You're going to click set as admin, click sure, and you are all set. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any more of our training videos, and have a wonderful and successful life on BGO Live. Bye.